Hey guys, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I'm Saumya. There are the times when we don't want to cook anything. We either feel kind of lazy or unwell. So today I've come up with a rescue recipe for you all in such situation. Let's make coleslaw. Coleslaw is a creamy salad made of shredded veggies and cabbage being the most important one. Also, authentically mayonnaise is used in it. But today I'm not gonna use any mayo, yet it is going to be as creamy as it is supposed to be. So let's get started. For coleslaw, we need nicely julienne vegetables. So here I've taken some shredded cabbage. Cabbage is must for this recipe, so see how nicely I have shredded it. So here I've taken some cucumber, and remember I haven't peeled it. Then I've taken one big carrot and shredded it. Then 1/3 capsicum and julienned it. Now here I've taken Greek yogurt because this is very thick and creamy. So if you don't have Greek yogurt, you can take hunkered. Then we need some salt as per your taste. This is sour cream. This is tofu and I have roughly crumbled it with hands. See, like this. Then we need some cumin powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now let's start making this quick and easy recipe. Take a mixing bowl like this and drop in all the vegetable. So here in goes our cabbage, whole of it, then cucumber, then comes the carrot, and in the last, capsicum. So we have all the vegetables together at one place. See, so just mix it a bit, just slightly mix it like this. Now add in around 3 to 4 dollops of yogurt like this. Just keep adding. So we need good quantity of yogurt in order to make our coleslaw nice and creamy. So after yogurt, in goes our sour cream. So guys, if you're not using sour cream, please add in the vinegar as well as the lime juice in order to give that tangy flavor to the coleslaw. Now add in the salt. This has to be as per your taste. Remember, just be careful to not exceed the quantity. And now add in the cumin powder, followed by black pepper powder. So that's it guys, we have added all the spices as well as yogurt into our julienne vegetables. And now mix it well. We need to thoroughly mix everything together. All the vegetables should be nicely creamy. So guys, here I have personally made certain innovations in my coleslaw. So I have replaced mayonnaise and vinegar with yogurt and sour cream. So if you want, you can go with that authentic procedure as well. So see, our vegetables are nicely mixed now. Now add tofu into it and again give it a final mix. So guys, our crunchy, healthy and tangy salad is all ready. So just take it out in a separate bowl and enjoy. So guys, if you like this super quick and healthy recipe, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.